So guys, this is my first video and I've been thinking about making this for a while now. So let's get on with it. We're going to talk about private equity and venture capital. Of course, you all have heard about it but don't know its meaning yet. Don't worry. In simpler terms, private equity is divided into two parts. Investing in firms that are not listed on stock exchange, and second, buyout of the companies that are listed on stock exchange to make them delisted. Now, people often use the terms private equity and venture capital interchangeably, but that's not right. See, private equity is a bigger umbrella, and under which comes venture capital. It's a part of private equity. And venture capital simply means investing in private companies that are in its early stage of development. Now, let's talk in depth. Private equity is divided into 6 activities, but for the sake of keeping this video short, we will talk about 3 that forms venture capital. First of all, seed financing. It's quite interesting. It involves investing in business that are simply not there yet. It involves investing in research and development for an idea that can be converted into a business by obtaining a patent. The second one is startup financing. The definition is simple. Startup financing provides finance to startups for buying fixed asset or maintaining working capital. The third is early growth financing. Again, in simpler terms, early growth financing is investing in a phase after startup. Now let's understand why private equity and not say any bank. The first of all, banks usually don't give out loans to startups, let alone an idea. The thing is that startups are risky. A report by IBM Institute for Business Value suggests that 90% of Indian startups fail within the first 5 years. And private equity investors don't just give loans. As the word investor suggests, they invest. For this, new equity shares are issued to private equity investors. Now you know the essence of private equity and venture capital. And 3 more activities come under private equity, and I'll post a video about that some other times. Till then, stay productive.